morning, students. So today we'll start the last chapter of maths, time. Uh, key and in this is chapter you will study about the units of time measurement, hour, minute, and second, and the two ways of representing time. That is the 12-hour clock and the 24-hour clock, and conversion of hour to minutes, minutes to second, days into months, and months into year. And also you will learn about the addition and subtraction of time with seconds, minutes, and hours. So you have learned about the time using am and pm, and in your previous class, class 4th. So in this exercise 12.1, you need to represent the time. Like, see here, you can see two hands of the clock are represented, the shorter one the hour hand and the bigger one the minute hand. So see, the hour hand is pointing on 5 and the minute hand on 12. That means it's 5 o'clock. So what you will write? 5 double dot 00. So that represents the time. So same way you will do question number 1, all the questions. And in question number 2, again you need to draw the two hands on the face of the clock. So you will draw the clock like this and show the time. Okay. Then here, question number 3, write the time using AM and PM. It's very simple. Whenever the time is in the morning, it's generally AM, and after 12 o'clock noon, the time turns to PM. Similarly, if after 12 at night, that will be AM. Okay. Now let's see the reading in the clock. So as I have told you, there are two hands in a clock. The shorter one, the hour hand, and the minute one is minute hand is the bigger one. Sorry, there is another hand in the clock which we call second hand. Okay, so second hand makes one round, so that makes 1 minute. Okay, starting from 1 to 12. And minute hand, when it makes one complete round in the clock, that is from 1 to 12 again, it makes 1 hour. And similarly the hour hand makes one round, that is 12 hours. Okay, so from the morning 1 to 12 it makes 1, and again from 1 to 12 till night it makes 1. So a day has 12 into 2, 24 hours. Okay, because the hour hand moves through the 12 two times. Then 1 hour has 60 minutes, and 1 minute has 60 seconds. How we are calculating? So if you will see this clock, oh, see this clock. So the distance between 12 to 1 is represented by 5 lines. So each distance is marked. If you will count that, that will be 5 into 12, 60. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay. Now the 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. So normally what we are seeing at home, all those clocks are 12-hour clocks. But when you go to a railway station, so you can see 24-hour clock. You can see here. So in 24-hour clock, 1 p.m. will be 12 plus 1, 13 hours. Okay, so here upper side you can see the 12-hour clock, and downside 24-hour clock. So if you will see the tickets of a train or aeroplane, you will see the they are mentioning the time of arrival and departure in 24-hour clock. So there is a simple, you can see in page 122. So you can see the representation in 24-hour clock. Now we will see the conversion of time. Okay, so here two types of times are there, daytime and night time. So the time from sunrise to sunset is called daytime, and from sunset to sunrise is called night time. So the total duration is given: 1 day 24 hours, 1 hour 60 minutes, 7 days is equal to 1 week, 1 year 12 months or 52 weeks. Okay, 1 year also has 365 days. Now we'll see the conversions. In exercise 12.2, the first question is convert to minutes. So hours to minute we need to convert. So we know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 12 hour will be 12 multiplied by 60. So 12 6 72, so that will make 720 minutes. Likewise, we'll do question number C. Here hours and minutes both is given. So 3 hours and 20 minutes means 3 hours plus 20 minutes. So we'll write 1 hour 60 minutes since we know that. So we'll multiply 3 hour with 60 and add 20. So that will give us 180 plus 20 minutes, 200 minutes answer. Question number 2 is conversion into hours. So here we need to divide, okay? If it is 336 hours, so 336 hours plus 10, that is 346 hours answer. Now let's see question number 3. Convert the following. So minutes to hours is there. So again we need to divide here. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 1 minute means 1 hour 1 by 60 hour. So 700 minutes will be 700 divided by 60. So you'll get 11 hours and 40 minutes as answer. So similarly you will do all the questions. Question number 4, again minutes and seconds is there and you need to find out how many seconds are there. So we'll convert 1 minute 60 seconds. So 2 minutes will be 2 multiplied by 60, and here again 20 second is given, so we'll plus that 20 and we'll get 120 plus 20, 140 second. Likewise you will do all the maths. See question number 5. Here you need to convert the seconds into minutes. So what we'll do, we'll see 1 minute has 60 seconds, we all know that. So 1 second will have 1 by 60. That means whatever the number of seconds will be given, you need to divide by 60. So 400 is given, so we'll divide 400 with 60. So we get 6 minutes and 40 seconds. So all that maths given in all the sums, you will solve like this. Now let's see question number 6. So day is given and you need to convert into hours. So 1 day has 24 hours. So hours, from hours to day you have to convert, that is you have to divide with 24. 720 hours is given, so we have divided 720 with 24 and we are getting 30 days as answer. Now again months into days is given in question number 7. So 1 month has 30 days. So 6 months will have 6 into 30 days. Again we have been given 6 months and 7 days. So what we'll do, we'll add the 6 into 30 plus 7. So 6 30s are 180 and 7. So that gives us the answer of 187 days. Question number 2 is conversion into hours. So here days into hours is there. Again we will multiply with 24. Since 1 day has 24 hours. So 4 days will have 24 into 4, that is 96 hours. And in question number E, there is week and hours. So we will convert weeks into days first and then multiply by 24. So we'll write 2 weeks, 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 2 weeks will be 7 into 14 days. Sorry. So 1 day also has 24 hours. So 14 days will have 14 into 24 hours. Okay. So here again what we'll do, we'll multiply and see the sum. What is 14 into 24? Then again we have to add 10 hours to it. Okay. Let's see addition and subtraction of time. Exercise 12.3.